How's it going, guys? I'm actually gonna do something a little different today. What I'm gonna be doing is showing you guys how to make your desktop look somewhat like this. This part right here, I don't have anymore on my computer. I actually deleted the files, so um, it's called How. I think 2000 or something like that. What you're going to want to do is first. We'll start off with just downloading Rainmeter. Um, I didn't prepare this at all, so I don't really care. We'll get there. Yeah, so go to Rainmeter in Google, and download it. I believe it only works on Windows. I don't really. Yeah, it's only Windows. So once you download it, you'll actually get something kind of like a. Actually, I'll show you. You'll get this little thing on the bottom, and you'll get. Basically, you'll have to open it up. You'll have a few presets already. What you'll want to do is just right-click them and kind of just. I think it's unload skin, yeah. Then, after you unload everything, you want to actually go, because it'll be in the bottom little taskbar, you'll actually want to close the Rainmeter. So then you can go and download the actual files that you're wanting to load up in here, which is, I think this one's called the Bluevision, which I'm sure if you just Google it, you'll be able to find it. Let's find out. Yeah. So you'll be able to just download it. Once you download it, I think you just put it, there will be a file. I think it is documents. You'll put it in your skins, and it'll all download here. Everything here is the stuff I've downloaded. Some of it I didn't really understand. I mean, like I said, I just did this to kind of just experiment with some things. What I have on here though is the Alienware, Bluevision, Circle, How. I think this is actually the original default. The Steam wheel is this right here, which I'll show you guys a little bit more of what it can do. So yeah, once you download it, you just press it into your skins, which is in the documents. It'll be Rainmeter, and like I said, you have to have the Rainmeter closed before you can actually put it in there. Well, I mean, you could put it in there while it's open, but you'd have to close it and then open it back up for it to show up. Whenever you get it in there, that's what she said. The files into the Rainmeter skin package. And then you open it back up, you'll get stuff like this, and it'll basically be the packing of everything you just downloaded. I mean, you kind of just have to go through it unless you actually know what you're doing. I didn't really know what I was doing. There's just different, I guess, things you can put on here. For example, there's a little clock, something like this, which I haven't really got figured out yet. You can open it up and somehow link all that stuff together. This is the Steam wheel, I believe, or it's one of these two. But this shows you, your gigs total, your power, which I mean, if you're using a laptop, it'd be different. Your RAM percentage, CPU temperature, which I haven't set up, the CPU percentage, stuff like that. This is like a little media player right here, and like I said, I mean, you can click them, drag them wherever you want, customize it the way you want it. I mean, everything really, it's just all cosmetics. Some of the stuff does stuff like, if you use the recycling bin, you can delete stuff, you can, shut down your computer or whatever. You can have, a display of your hard drive, something like that. This is kind of, yeah, something goofy I just put on there. There's one more thing. Let me try to find it. The media player. I think I have it unloaded actually. Essentially though, like I said, this is all cosmetic stuff for the most part. I mean, it tells you obviously your CPU, stuff like that. The background, I can try to find a link, and I'll put it in the description. I'll put a link for the Rainmeter and stuff like that, and the Bluevision stuff. This right here is it's called Rocket Dock. I'll try to find a link for that. It's the same thing, you know. You just download it and install it. It's really just like a start menu, but you can move it around and stuff like that. So, I mean, you can drag the icons and just put them wherever. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, just let me know. I mean, this is my first tutorial video, so I mean, obviously, it's not going to be the greatest. Like, you know, any questions, let me know. I'll post another video or answer, you know, whatever you guys need. Peace off, guys.